What if I told you that you could become a millionaire by the age of 24? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not, because I did it. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 habits that made me a millionaire at the age of 24 and how you can follow them to make your dreams come true. Habit number 1, set clear and specific goals.
Because goals are something you put on the wall to motivate yourself, right?
Millionaires know what they want and how to achieve it. They have a vision for their future and a plan to make it happen. They also track their progress and measure their results. This habit helps them to stay focused and motivated. Habit number 2, invest in yourself.
The best thing you can do is to be exceptionally good at something. If you're the best doctor in town, if you're the best lawyer in town, whatever abilities you have can't be taken away from you. They can't actually be inflated away from you. Somebody else will give you some of the wheat they produce, or the cotton, or whatever it may be, and they will trade you for the skill you have. So the best investment by far is anything that develops yourself.
Millionaires invest in their own education, skills, and personal development. They read books, take courses, attend seminars, and learn from mentors. They also take care of their health, fitness, and well-being. This habit helps them to grow as individuals and professionals. Habit number 3, create multiple streams of income. Millionaires don't rely on one source of income. They diversify their income by creating passive, active, and residual income streams. They also reinvest their profits and leverage their assets. This habit helps them to increase their wealth and reduce their risk. Habit 4, spend less than you earn. Millionaires live below their means. They don't waste money on things they don't need or value. They also save and budget their money wisely. They know the difference between assets and liabilities, and they avoid debt. This habit helps them to build their net worth and financial security. Habit number 5, surround yourself with positive and successful people. Millionaires network with people who share their vision, values, and goals. They seek advice and feedback from experts and peers. They also support and inspire others to achieve their dreams. This habit helps them to learn from others and create opportunities. Habit number 6, take action and embrace failure. Millionaires don't wait for the perfect time or opportunity. They take action and make things happen. They also accept failure as a part of the process and learn from their mistakes. They don't let fear or doubt stop them from pursuing their goals. This habit helps them to overcome challenges and improve themselves. Habit number 7, give back and make a difference. Millionaires are generous and grateful. They donate their money, time, and skills to causes they care about. They also express their appreciation and recognition to others. They don't just chase money, but they use it to make a positive impact on the world. This habit helps them to find meaning and fulfillment in their lives. I hope these habits give you some ideas for your video script. So, these are the 7 habits that made me a millionaire at the age of 24. I hope you found them useful and inspiring. If you want to learn more about how to make money and live your best life, make sure you check out my other videos, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications to stay updated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.